For our warehouse room, we've come up with the contemporary interpretation of Art Deco. When Samuel Heath approached us to work in partnership with them on Wow House, they actually came to us with some ideas of brief and ones which resonated with us. And that's where the tap started to come to life.
We've definitely always wanted to do Wow House. I think when we went last year, we absolutely loved it. So when Samuel Heath asked us, we said absolutely, yes, we would do it. So I think the starting point was the tap, and that then informed the rest of the room design. And I think we've used a lot of detailing with this chamfered corner that is brought into the actual shape of the room. So we've got a lot of beautiful kind of corner details, ceiling details. We've pushed our typical design a little bit further and brought in a beautiful kind of jewel tone marble, and played with that along with some materials that we use more frequently.
So we're really enhancing each of those materials together, but also as a really nice backdrop for this kind of beautiful new tap.
I think we've been working with Samuel Heath for about 15 years, would you say?
Yeah.
And there's very much a kind of synergy with our ethos as a company in terms of design, quality. Obviously, it's a British brand, which is what we are, which we love.
And I think the authenticity of them and the story behind it is something that we really love. It's actually one of the first brands that we ever started to use across all our projects. It's been amazing to go on the tour of the Samuel Heath factory today.
One of the stages of today was actually looking at finish.
We worked with them to develop a new finish, which is vintage bronze, which gives you that kind of old quality, but in a very contemporary way, and a finish that is going to last for another 100 years.
That was really exciting to actually be able to go through different machining, working out whether it should be done by the machine or by hand.
And it has a really nice quality to it and highlights all those facets that we brought into the design of the tap. From Emmanuel, who was programming the CNC machine, to Chris, who was on the electroplater, and Martin, who was like the expert polisher. It's just been fascinating to work with them and see, all the years of experience that they brought to this project.
But also I think it gives a completely different perspective on the design process. So when we're making design decisions along the way and thinking about every little shape and step detail, what you don't appreciate is just how much work goes into every single decision that we make and the implication that has in the factory. So to see that firsthand, to see them literally creating these pieces in front of our eyes was really amazing. So we can't wait for people to step inside our warehouse room and experience Art Deco in a whole new way.
And reveal our collaboration with Samuel Heath and our new tap design.